In this video, we're going to look at expanding a plus b to the power of n, where n is a positive integer. First example we'll take a look at is expand and fully simplify 3 minus 2x raised to the power of 4. So we have 3 minus 2x raised to the power of 4. And using the formula this time, it's going to be 3 to the power of 4 plus 4c1, which we know is 4, 3 to the power of 3, and minus 2x raised to the power of 1 plus 4c2, 3 squared, times minus 2x whole squared plus 4c3 3 to the power of 1, 2x cubed, and the last term will be 2x to the power of 4. Now we'll go ahead and simplify this, and we can maybe use the calculator. So we have 3 to the power of 4, 81. 4c1 is 4. So we're going to say 4 times 3 cubed, well that's 27. And minus 2 to the power of 1, so it's going to be negative times negative 2. So negative 216 raised to the times x. Next part is 4c2. Just take a look doing it on the calculator. 4 shift NCO is here. 4c2 times 3 squared is 9 times negative 2 squared is positive 4. That's 2 and 6 again, and it's positive this time. X squared. Now for the x cubed term, we're going to have 4c3 we maybe just edit this one. 4c3, and it's times 3 and it's times negative, that should be a negative 2 up there, negative 2 to the power of 3, so that's times negative 8 is minus 96 x cubed. I'll just go back and correct that to a negative there. And the last term is 2 to the power of 4 is 16 x to the power of 4. And that's my final term. Okay, so that's example 1 complete. Let's take a look at the next example. And the next example is to find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion 3x minus 4 raised to the power of 8. So we take a look at that example. It's 3x minus 4 all raised to the power of 8. And we're looking for the coefficient of x cubed. Okay, so we could start by applying the formula. You don't need to simplify these terms, just going to identify where the x cubed term is. power 7 and negative 4 power 1. So we go all the way along. HC2 to the power 6, HC3 to the power 5, HC4 to the power 4, 8C3, 3x cubed negative 4 to the power of 5. And this is the term we're interested in if we're looking to find the coefficient of x cubed. So the coefficient itself, 8C3, 3x. We don't include the x, so we just go 3 cubed and negative 4 raised to the power of 5. So we bring up the calculator, and the calculator, we can do 8 shift C3 times 3 cubed, we know is 27, times negative 4 raised to the power of 5, and that will give us the coefficient we're looking for. So a big number here, so negative 1,548,288. Okay, so that's the coefficient of x cubed. And we'll move to the final example now. The final example is in the expansion p plus 2x raised to the 7 to the power of 7. The coefficient of the term with x to the power of 4 is 2,240 p squared. So we're required to find p where p is not equal to 0. Okay, so we'll just note the problem. So we are looking at the expansion of p plus 2x raised to the power of 7. And we're told the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is equal to 2,240 p squared. Okay, so let's take a look at the term with x to the power of 4 in. So we will have 7c4 p cubed to the power of 4 and times x to the power of 4. So the coefficient we're interested in is 7c4 p cubed 2 to the power of 4. So let's take a look at that with the calculator. 7 shift c4 times 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So 560 p cubed. We can set the two coefficients equal to each other, so 560 p cubed equals 2240 p squared. We're trying to solve for p, where p is a non-zero, so we can divide out by p squared. And in fact, I'll divide, cross multiply. So we're going to have 2,240 over 560 equals p cubed over p squared is going to give us the value for p. So quick look at that. So 2240 divided by 560, giving a value of p equals 4. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.